The MetaTrader Auto Expert in the Notion Trading Journal is an expert advisor offered for various platforms on the Tradingfinder website. From this section, you can download the Expert Advisor file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also read this page to learn about the functionality and operation of the Expert Advisor. From the Navigator section, we select the Expert Advisor file and run it by dragging the file onto the chart. Before running the Expert Advisor, we go to the Tools tab and enter the Options section. We enter the Expert Advisor section, and here we enable the two options, Allow DLL Imports and Allow Web Requests. In the lower section, we enter the URL link related to the Notion site with the address api.notion.com. Or you can copy this URL link from the website and paste it here and then click the Confirm button. After entering the URL link, we run the Expert Advisor file. We go to the Dependencies tab and here we enable the Allow DLL Imports option. We will now proceed to the Inputs tab, and within this particular section, it is absolutely essential that we meticulously enter the specific Notion token that is directly related to the webhook we have previously and successfully created. For the subsequent input field, you are required to carefully enter the unique parent page ID, which you have the convenient option to either precisely copy from this very section and then accurately paste it here, or alternatively, you can choose to thoughtfully create an entirely new page, subsequently copy the newly generated parent page ID, and then diligently enter it into this designated field. In the very next input, you will need to carefully choose a suitable name for your database, which you can easily personalize and then confidently enter into this specific section. And finally, in the very last input field, you will need to carefully enter your personal license key for this Expert Advisor right here. To successfully obtain your dedicated license, you should proceed to the Tradingfinder website, then contact their support team, and subsequently acquire your exclusive license specifically designed for this expert, and then, of course, meticulously enter it into this designated field here. Just make sure to note that the license you receive is only valid for that specific device and won't work on other devices. After carefully entering the necessary values, we then proceed to click the Confirm option and subsequently the expert will commence running on the chart. Once the expert is actively running on the chart, a clear title will appear in the Notion section here. You should also keep in mind that on the Notion website, from the three-dot menu at the top, you must make sure your webhook and integration are connected from the Connections section. The Auto MetaTrader Expert in Notion Trading Journal is a special and practical tool that, based on its settings, sends the status of trades and their updates, such as stop-loss updates, take profit, partial exits, and pendings, to Notion. Traders can easily move the expert panel on the chart by clicking on the top section of the expert panel, or they can close and remove the expert panel from the chart by clicking on the cross option. By clicking on the minimize option, they can reduce the expert panel to its minimum size, and by clicking again, the expert panel will return to its default display mode. At the bottom section of the panel, there are options available to us. In the first section, we can enable or disable the data sending status to Notion, which is disabled by default. By enabling this section, we can activate or deactivate the data sending status to Notion at the bottom, and each status is displayed here. By simply entering the previously created title, we can effectively view various important values within this specific section, organized under different distinct headings. All of these relevant headings are also clearly listed here at the very bottom of the panel, where we can conveniently enable or disable the data sending status for each individual section, ensuring precise control over information flow. The first option is related to sending the ticket number data, which, when executing trades, transfers the trade ticket to Notion. The next option is related to status. By enabling this section, the expert will display the data related to executing trades or closing trades, updating stop losses, updating take profits, or in case of partial exits and opening pendings, updating pendings, and finally deleting pendings. All of their data will be shown for us in the status section in this column. The next option is related to the symbol. By enabling this section, the trading symbols that we execute will be transferred to Notion. The next option is related to order type. By enabling this section, the symbols and orders that we want to execute in Notion will be displayed in this column. It transfers the data of the trade types. The next options include volume, open time, open price, stop loss, take profit, close time, close price, risk to reward, broker, account number, and finally, the trade comment. In this section, for example, by executing a trade. By executing a buy position, we can clearly see that a trade has been successfully executed for us, and furthermore, the very same trade is prominently displayed for us in Notion as well, providing additional details. The specific trading symbol in particular is also visible at this moment for your reference. Is placed in this section. The trade ticket is conveniently located in this particular part of the interface. And also, it is important to note that traders can easily and conveniently rearrange the various headers of the displayed information as they may wish to do so. And place them here. If we have deactivated an option such as the account number, its value will be displayed as 0, or for values like close time, which is deactivated in this section of the panel, it will show us default values. But if we have activated certain options, it will display the updated values for us in this section, such as open time or symbols like symbol and ticket. Also, by carefully setting the appropriate stop-loss level and diligently updating these crucial levels throughout the trading process, we can clearly observe and ascertain that, even with the identical ticket number being utilized, the outcomes and implications can be remarkably different and warrant careful consideration. It displays the values for us with the new status, meaning with the same ticket number, but with the status of update stop loss, or if a take profit is set, with the status of update take profit. And if we move the stop loss level again as desired, it will show us the trading symbol time and ticket under the same heading, that is, update stop loss. If we close a trade here, by closing the trade, the status close trade will be displayed for us with the same ticket, symbol, and time. Or in the risk to reward section, if we set the risk to reward amount, we can see the risk to reward value here. And if we don't set a stop loss and take profit for our trades, the risk to reward values won't be displayed correctly for us. Here, by carefully executing a financial trade, we can clearly observe that its current monetary value is prominently displayed as absolutely 0 at this precise moment in time. Open trade status. The overall risk to reward value, even after carefully setting the stop loss, has not been correctly and precisely specified for us at this particular moment. Or by setting the take profit, it shows us the risk to reward with this value, but to correctly determine the risk to reward amount, both the take profit and stop loss levels need to be set so that the values are displayed accurately. Additionally, this expert advisor has the capability to display data on trading symbols. When we run the expert advisor on the chart, it runs across the entire platform. For example, right now at this very moment, we are currently observing the BNB USDT trading symbol, and by diligently executing a new trade, we can clearly see that here, the specific BNB USDT trading symbol is prominently displayed for us, complete with the newly generated ticket number. We can view the trade execution time, the take profit amount, the trade type, as well as the volume here. This provides us with a complete, specialized, and precise trading journal here. Additionally, when we finalize and close out trades, we can clearly observe that within the status section, the relevant values are prominently displayed for our review under the distinct close trade heading, providing a comprehensive overview. Well, friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial for this expert advisor. I'd be glad if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.